Y'all see that? That's a little bitch that's been giving me trouble for a good 3 weeks now. Well, I forgot. Hello, friends. It's Dillon, baby! That's right! From the Dillon compound. Working on the truck tonight. But, that's what I'll replace. That's the original Ford equipment. And it's been a booger. It's been a booger to get this fixed. And I'm not sure it's fixed. I think it is, but we'll have to see. This has been non-stop. Went to O'Reilly's up here in Manchester. I don't know, a few days ago, last week, I don't know. It's days run together. Told them I needed a flasher and didn't even know where the damn thing was. Co-worker John finally found a YouTube video, or he googled it something and found a video. Said it was in the damn steering column. Said it was up in here, and you had to take the rear end out and the exhaust tip off and the left fender, and I'm like, fuck that. But the videos I googled showed nothing. I couldn't find. I googled to Google's core, couldn't find nothing. I YouTube to Google to YouTube's Google yeah, to the bottom of their butthole, and I couldn't find nothing. Well, John found a video, and I'm like, damn it, I ain't doing that. Well, I'll tell you what I've done. I did find a few videos, same year model, everything, that I googled. Said that they were up underneath the dash, they were out under the hood in the fuse box, they were here, they were there. Evidently, they just stuck them everywhere. In the freaking tailgate. So I was ready to give up, and I thought, you know what? I'm not a millennial. What would I do back in the day? I'd jump in the damn truck, start it up, turn the flasher on, and I'd listen for the tick. Tick, 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 tick. And that's what I done. And son of a bitch, imagine that. No 4 years partying at college on daddy's money. No. Just some old hick dumbass from Hillsboro found the flasher. Well, son of a bitch. Would you looky there? So, I went to O'Reilly's a week or two ago, I don't know. Went up there and bought a flasher. Got home and I'm like, I couldn't find the flasher. I'm like, where the hell's the flasher? Couldn't find it. Googled it, YouTubed it, nothing. So I thought, well, O'Reilly's will have it. That's what they do. It was, I can't remember if it was a Saturday or Sunday. I called up there and said, hey man, this may sound stupid, but, I went Google and went YouTube, I've done this, I bought this flasher up there a few days ago, and I can't find the one to replace it with. I said, is there any way you can tell me where it's at? He said, I don't know. And he hung up on me. You little son of a bitch. So I called him back. And I could tell it was a different person that answered, so I didn't take out my frustration on them. I gave them my story. And they said, well, let me look. So I could hear the keys clicking on the keypad. He said, man, I can't find anything. I don't know. And so that's what led me to the old school. Cut the radio off, start the truck, turn the blinker on. Open an ear. Look in there. Hey. Ain't no wax in there. I keep them mirrors clean. Puts me with Jesus when they get licked. So I popped the new flasher in. Took a little thinking, but I got it in there. And fired the truck up. Started it up. They blink normal. They don't blink like they blink normal because it's an LED flasher. And I'm hoping, I still gotta put the front turn signals in, the LEDs in the front, and I'm hoping it'll accept them and all will be good. If not, I'll probably, I don't know, throw my hands in the air, and I got 6 gallons of gas over there. I'll probably just throw that on the fucking truck and light it. Probably back it up through the house and say fuck it. I don't know. But just wanted to fill y'all in on my day. Hope y'all have a fantastic one. I may or may not post whether this goes well later. If it don't, I won't. Self-incrimination. But if it does, I might give a shout out. I don't know. I still gotta go to town and get supper. I don't know how that shit goes. Y'all have a fantastic Tuesday, by God. And remember, tomorrow's hump day. Hump day. Oh my goodness. Break out the rubbers and the lubes. Damn it, boy, got me sweating. Y'all have a good one.